How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be going over the day trades I took today. I'm going to talk about a future trade I took today as well. But before we get started, be sure you subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. First on the list, ticker GME. Yes, GameStop. This is a meme stock. You're probably thinking, Grizzly, why are you trading meme stocks? You can catch these while they have strength and you know proper risk management. You can make money. Trust me, I've done it on several occasions, but let's take a look here at GME. Let me switch over to AMC to show you exactly why I was watching this. AMC has been strong. We had really good volume today. It was strong pre-market. Now let's go back to GME right here. Same thing, we had relative strength pre-market. A lot of other stocks were down. So my level was simply a trade above pre-market highs for a scalp to the upside using call options. I called out my trade live inside Team Bull. We got in right at this 26.9 area. Had a nice push up, scalped, in and out. Trade worked out really well. Keep in mind, I know I say this often, breakout trades like this are higher risk. I don't care what stock it is. If you're taking a trade off the opening 5-minute candle, it's higher risk. Now let's take a look at Netflix. This is not something I personally traded. I did mention this in Team Bull. Told everyone to watch it. It has strength. This was on my weekly watch list video. For those of you that watched that yesterday, I was watching Netflix above that 290. If you want to go check out that video, feel free to do so. But as you can see here, had an insane move up to high of day $303.44. Insane. Some of the members in Team Bull, I seen they posted the gains. They did take this. Some made 700, some made 1200. Beautiful day inside Team Bull. Now let's talk about this trade on the futures I had today. Those of you that watched my pre-market lives on Instagram when we're trading futures live, this was the main level I was watching. I did not take a trade during the pre-market on the futures. I was waiting on this 4,000 area. And this happened to line up with the prior day close on SPY perfectly, which was, I believe, 398.5 if I'm not mistaken. Really, really like this level. I called my exact entry out inside Team Bull. I got in exactly at 4,000 I went short here. As you can see here, had a nice push down to this 3993 area. I was completely out at 3995. Beautiful 5-point scalp to the downside. Worked out perfectly. Had 3+ confirmations on this trade. That's all I need. Now, if you have any questions about any of these, I like to keep these recaps short. Don't want you to lose your attention, but if you have any questions on this, always feel free to reach out to me. As always, I appreciate y'all for watching, and I'll catch you next time.